Hi everyone, my name is Natasha and welcome to my channel. Here we dive into some of the most pressing issues of our time, and today we are talking about one that impacts every single one of us: climate change. Climate change is no longer a distant threat, it's happening now, impacting our planet in ways we cannot ignore. But understanding it is the first step towards action. So, what's really happening and how can we make a difference? Let's find out. Earth, a marvel of life and diversity, spinning in the vast emptiness of space. But this home of ours is changing faster than ever before. The reason? Climate change. Today, we'll uncover the story behind it and explore how each of us holds the power to make a difference. The most prominent factor of climate change is the greenhouse effect. The greenhouse effect is an invisible force that shapes the future of our planet. While it's a natural phenomena that keeps Earth warm, human activities have amplified its impact, leading to global climate change. Greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane are the culprits behind this amplified effect. They trap heat in our atmosphere, preventing it from escaping into space and raising global temperatures. While some greenhouse gases occur naturally, such as those released by volcanic eruptions, human activities have dramatically increased their levels over the past century. Deforestation is a major contributor to rising greenhouse gas levels. Cutting down forests not only releases stored carbon but also eliminates the natural systems that absorbs carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. The impacts of climate change are already visible. Ecosystems are collapsing, wildlife is disappearing, and extreme heat waves are threatening both nature and human survival. Every year, billions of tons of greenhouse gases are released into the atmosphere, accelerating global warming and pushing the Earth's climate to a tipping point. But where there is a hope, there is a way. And there is a hope. Efforts like reforestation and protecting natural habitats can help reduce greenhouse gases and restore the balance we have disrupted. But climate change is disrupting this balance. Rising temperatures and deforestation are pushing countless species to the brink of extinction. Protecting our planet is no longer just an option, it's a necessity for life to thrive. Our planet is a finely tuned balance between nature and the atmosphere. Wildlife, ecosystems, and clean air thrive when this balance is maintained. However, human activities are tipping the scale. The rapid rise in carbon dioxide and methane emissions is putting immense pressure on nature's resilience. The more emissions we produce, the harder it becomes for our planet to sustain its ecosystem and species. The balance is shifting dangerously in the wrong direction. Industrialization has powered human progress, but it has also come at a cost. Factories like these are one of the largest contributors to greenhouse gas emissions. While industries are vital for development, we must rethink how we produce energy and goods to minimize harm to our planet. Well, did you know livestock farming is another major contributor to greenhouse gases, releasing methane from digestion and manure management? On the other hand, landfills release methane gas as organic waste decomposes, contributing significantly to global warming. Proper waste management can help reduce these emissions. As greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane accumulate in the atmosphere, they trap heat, intensifying the planet's warming. Deforestation removes vital carbon sinks, releasing stored carbon dioxide into the atmosphere and further destabilizing the climate. Global temperatures have risen by 1.1 degrees Celsius due to human activities, and the effects are becoming increasingly evident. Exceeding the 1.5 degrees Celsius threshold could trigger catastrophic impacts, including severe heat waves, rising sea levels, and biodiversity loss. The warning is clear. Without immediate action, we risk pushing our planet into uncharted and dangerous territory. Rising global temperatures are causing ice caps to melt at an alarming rate. This not only threatens polar ecosystems but also contributes to rising sea levels, endangering coastal communities. Extreme weather events like flooding are becoming more frequent and severe due to climate change. Rising sea levels and intense rainfall are devastating communities worldwide. Climate change is driving unpredictable and extreme weather patterns, from scorching droughts and destructive storms to heavy snowfall. These events are reshaping our planet and its ecosystems. Climate change is disrupting agriculture, affecting crop yields and fruit production. Unpredictable weather patterns and water shortages threaten global food security. Prolonged droughts caused by climate change are turning fertile lands barren. Crops fail and trees wither, threatening livelihoods and food supplies worldwide. Farmers are on the front lines of climate change. Prolonged droughts and failing crops leave them struggling to sustain their livelihoods with little hope for recovery. Climate change is causing ocean temperatures to rise, endangering marine life and bleaching coral reefs that support underwater ecosystems. Depleting fish populations and dying habitats are not just ecological disasters, they threaten the livelihoods of millions who depend on fishing. For communities that rely on the sea, the impact is devastating, with their future hanging in the balance. If global warming reaches 2 degrees Celsius, the planet will face extreme heat waves, collapsing ecosystems, and more frequent natural disasters. The time to act is now. Unchecked global warming is intensifying urban heat waves and sparking devastating wildfires. Cities and communities face increasing risks, demanding urgent action to adapt and mitigate. The fight against climate change requires all of us to come together. By uniting as one global community, we can protect our planet for future generations. Every action counts. Recycling, reducing waste, and adopting sustainable habits can make a significant impact in combating climate change. Together, small actions lead to big change. Planting trees, conserving resources, and using sustainable transportation are steps we can all take to protect our planet. Climate change is a global challenge, as we all know by now. But the solutions start with us. Stay informed, take action, and inspire others to make a difference. Together, we can create a sustainable future. Thank you for watching this video till the end. If you would like to see more such videos, please do like, subscribe, and share.